I wake inside my own horizon. Look, it's no name around my skin. Every breath arise unbroken, like its soul has been within. I exist before fruition, before questions make a sound. Nothing to prove, or I simply move. I breathe and on air, free with the trying, no hands around me. I'm flying, freedom lives quietly, calling my name. I breathe and on air, natural steady. I was complete before I was ready. No left, no lies, no claim anywhere. I live the truth of unknown air. Where is a man serves only free. The world obeys when I come around. Every breath reminds my body I was born without demand. I breathe and under, free without trying, no hands around me.